You owe it to the child you were who had big dreams. You owe it to the future version of you who is waiting. You owe it to yourself. Now commit. One decision. That's all it takes. One decision to get up. One decision to choose yourself and never look back. Make that decision today. Stop waiting for the right moment to start living. Stop putting your dreams on hold for people who are living theirs. Your life is happening right now. While you wait, you are not who broke you. You are not the worst thing that happened to you. You are not your past. You are what you choose to do starting right now with what you have left. Every dark night you survived, every time you cried alone, every door, none of it was on you. Raise your standards, not for them, for you, because demand better from people, from life, from yourself. You are not starting over, you are starting smarter. Every mistake you made was a lesson that someone else paid tuition for and never learned. You paid, now use it. You don't need permission to want more. You don't need to justify your hunger. Your desire for a better life is not selfish, it's purpose. The moment you stop waiting for someone to choose you and start choosing yourself, everything shifts. Your whole life changes when you decide you are worth fighting for. Here's the truth nobody told you. You are not too much. You are not too sensitive. You are not too ambitious. You are just in the wrong rooms with the wrong people. You gave your time to people who never gave theirs. You poured your energy into things that never poured back, and somehow you blamed yourself for running empty. You have spent years making yourself smaller so others will balance today.